Hey everyone. Welcome back to my channel, where we dive into all things marketing, tech, and making money online. If you've ever wondered what affiliate marketing is, how to get started, or how to overcome common challenges, you're in the right place. Today, I'm answering the top 10 most frequently asked questions about affiliate marketing, breaking them down step by step so you can kickstart your journey or level up your affiliate marketing game. Whether you're a complete beginner trying to figure out the basics or someone looking to maximize your earnings, I've got you covered. And trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end because I'll be sharing a bonus tip to help you succeed faster in this competitive space. So, grab your notebook, hit that like button, and let's jump right into it. 1. What is affiliate marketing, and how does it work? Affiliate marketing is a performance-based strategy where individuals, known as affiliates, promote a company's products or services. Affiliates earn a commission for each sale or action generated through their marketing efforts. This involves sharing unique affiliate links on platforms like blogs, social media, or websites. When someone clicks on these links and completes a purchase, the affiliate receives a commission. This method benefits businesses by expanding their reach and provides affiliates with an opportunity to earn income without managing inventory or customer service. 2. How can I become an affiliate marketer? To start as an affiliate marketer, identify a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. Create a platform, such as a blog, YouTube channel, or social media profile, to share content. Research and join reputable affiliate programs related to your niche. Once approved, promote products by integrating affiliate links into your content. Focus on building an engaged audience by providing valuable and authentic information. Consistency and transparency are key to establishing trust and driving conversions. 3. What are the benefits of affiliate marketing for businesses? Affiliate marketing offers businesses cost-effective promotion, as they pay commissions only when desired actions occur, ensuring a high return on investment. It expands market reach by leveraging affiliates' audiences, increasing brand exposure. Additionally, it provides access to professional marketers who can effectively promote products, saving businesses time and resources. This performance-based model allows for scalable growth and enhanced brand credibility through trusted affiliate partnerships. 4. How do affiliates get paid? Affiliates earn commissions based on the agreed payment structure of the affiliate program. Common models include pay-per-sale, where affiliates receive a percentage of each sale made through their referral, and pay-per-click, where they earn a fee for each click on their affiliate link. Payments are typically processed monthly, with methods varying by program, including direct bank transfers, PayPal, or checks. It's essential for affiliates to understand the payment terms and schedules of each program they join. 5. What is an affiliate program? An affiliate program is a marketing arrangement where a business provides affiliates with unique links and promotional materials to market its products or services. In return, affiliates earn commissions for driving traffic, leads, or sales. The program outlines commission structures, payment methods, and terms of service. It serves as a structured system for businesses to expand their reach through third-party promoters, effectively increasing sales and brand awareness. 6. How do I choose the right affiliate program? Selecting the appropriate affiliate program involves researching programs that align with your niche and audience interests. Evaluate the commission rates, payment structures, and the reputation of the merchant. Consider the quality and relevance of the products or services offered. Joining reputable affiliate networks can provide access to multiple programs and support. Ensure the program offers reliable tracking and timely payments to facilitate a successful partnership. 7. What are the common challenges in affiliate marketing? Affiliates may encounter challenges such as high competition within popular niches, making it difficult to stand out. Generating consistent and quality traffic to affiliate links requires ongoing effort. Additionally, changes in affiliate program terms or commission rates can impact earnings. Staying updated with industry trends and adapting strategies accordingly is essential to overcome these obstacles and achieve success in affiliate marketing. 8. How can I track the performance of my affiliate links? Monitoring affiliate link performance is crucial for optimizing marketing efforts. Utilize tracking tools provided by affiliate programs or networks, which offer insights into clicks, conversions, and commissions. Implement UTM parameters to analyze traffic sources through platforms like Google Analytics. Regularly reviewing these metrics helps in understanding audience behavior and refining promotional strategies to enhance effectiveness. 09 Is affiliate marketing suitable for beginners? Yes, affiliate marketing is accessible to beginners due to its low startup costs and the abundance of resources available for learning. New affiliates can start by selecting a niche, creating content, and joining affiliate programs. Success requires dedication, continuous learning, and adaptability. Beginners should focus on building trust with their audience and providing value to foster growth and achieve sustainable results in affiliate marketing. 10 What are the legal considerations in affiliate marketing? Affiliates must comply with regulations such as the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, guidelines, which require clear disclosure of affiliate relationships to maintain transparency with audiences. This includes stating that commissions may be earned from links. Additionally, affiliates should respect trademark and copyright laws when using promotional materials. Adhering to these legal requirements builds trust and ensures ethical marketing practices. And there you have it, 10 of the most frequently asked questions about affiliate marketing, answered. I hope this video gave you the clarity and confidence you need to either start your affiliate marketing journey or take it to the next level. Remember, affiliate marketing is all about consistency, authenticity, and understanding your audience. Start small, keep learning, and never hesitate to experiment with new strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit from it, and subscribe for more tips, guides, and strategies to grow in the online marketing world. Also, let me know in the comments, what's the biggest challenge you've faced in affiliate marketing, or what question do you still have? I'd love to hear your thoughts and maybe feature them in a future video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep hustling, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy marketing.